If I don't stretch, I know something in my head, I missed something today. I want patients to feel they've missed their workout because that's part of their routine every day. So you have to figure out what's going to work for you to get to that routine so you feel good. And once you feel good, do you stop? No. Because it makes you feel good, continue doing it and add more to your routine, continue to feel well. We exercise and stretch sometimes because most people do, because they have a problem. Something's tight, something's weak. Doesn't feel good, they're in pain. So they'll stretch, they'll strengthen, all of a sudden they feel good, I'm like, oh, I'm good, done, back to my normal. The problem is, your insurance policy is your stretching, is your walking, is your routine, is your crossword puzzles, is your Sudoku. Allows you to keep everything here and the whole body healthy so everything stays well together. It's a daily routine. People ask me, not that I look younger than 45, but how do you stay physically fit? I'm like, because I exercise 6 days a week, I stretch every morning, I eat okay, and I walk my dog about 40 minutes every night. They go, well, that's a lot of work. I'm like, yes, it is. I enjoy it most of the time. I have a dog because I don't want to seem like that creepy guy never keeps walking all the time by himself. I have a dog because it makes me look like I'm normal. But that allows me, because people ask me, well, I can't do that. I'm like, then you're not going to be healthy. It takes work. Not everyone's body is perfect all the time.